be fishing my pond and trying to catch some bass. They're kind of annoying. They hang up by the shore, so he just caught one off camera, so it should be pretty easy to catch one. We'll see. It was a brim. It was a brim. I saw it. It was a brim. Oh my gosh.
Just give her a second.
Dude, she's getting low. Okay.
We're having a little bit of trouble bass fishing, so we're going to switch for a minute and pick up the boat and see what's underneath it to give kind of the bass a little break, and then we might go back to fishing afterwards. We got a few.
Oh.
Let me switch sides real quick. Oh. Oh, that's all too.
One jumped in the water.
One did.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Something just jumped up here.
huh?
Something jumped up here.
It's probably
Up to the front.
Oh, probably because it was a cricket. Well, that was pretty boring today, but at least we caught something. I caught this another little baby bullfrog. Still haven't been able to catch a big one, but hopefully that'll happen sometime or another. I'm gonna catch this cricket too. See if we'll eat him. Okay, we're gonna throw the frog in. Okay, bye. Well, that was pretty good. And we're gonna get back to fishing.
I feel bad till again or something. I'm watching. Hey.
Yeah, there we go. Oh man, that took forever. Let's go. Let's get a little refill. Sit still. Oh yeah, look at that. Smallest one, but hey, he bit it. There we go. Okay, now we might switch over to brim fishing since I finally caught one. So, yeah, see you there. Okay, so right now we're gonna start brim fishing in my pond. And I'm just gonna show you this, and I'm gonna bait up my rod, and we're gonna see what we can catch. Okay, first cast. We'll see. It's raining a little bit right now, so hopefully my camera doesn't get messed up, but we'll see. Let's go. Oh, it came off, but we got him on land. Come on, buddy. Come here. Sorry, but I got him. There we go. There's our first little brim of the day. Not too shabby, you know. I mean, we'll release him and see if we can get something else going. It's like a cast going out. Okay, well, our bait just came up, so we're gonna load it up again and throw it out. Hopefully we can catch a pretty big one. Slow day right now. See, the little guy's going after it right now. The big guys are trying to eat it. Nibbling at it. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Not too bad. Not too big, but still pretty solid. Not a little, we haven't got a little tiny one yet, so that's good. Fish number 2. Let you see her, I guess. Whoops. I guess that's why they say you only hold bass by the lips. But fish number 2. Okay, we're going to bait up again and cast it back out. Oh, and by the way, make sure that you subscribe because I'm trying to get to 30 subscribers. Right now I think we're about 18 or 19, so getting pretty close. Oh my gosh. Well, sadly bait just came off, so yeah, I'm gonna try to upload new stuff every single day. So yeah, if you get bored around the house and you keep watching the same videos over and over again, well, just know that I should have a new one. So you won't get bored watching mine, I guess. Oh man, bait is just coming off right now in the rain. It's pretty tough. Yeah, we're gonna try to get these fish real quick. I don't know though. Might have to head inside in a minute. Maybe we can come back out tomorrow and see what's up. yeah, that's a pretty good one. Well, if I can grab a hold of him. There's a pretty big one right there. Probably about hand size. Not too bad. That's probably our best one of the day now that I think about it. Oh, man. Come on, little guy. There we go. Pretty nice fish right there. Probably about hand size. So, yeah. Really good one. He's twitching. Sorry, guys. I wanted to apologize for my camera cutting out. It was raining, and like I said, and the water got into the phone. But we still were able to save the footage and everything. So, yeah. I packed up the gear, loaded it up. Still had a pretty good day, you know. 3 brim, 1 bass, not too bad. That brim we caught, the last one where it cut out, that was the last brim we caught of the day. So at least y'all got to see everything. And yeah, like I said earlier, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank y'all.